Over the weekend, our family and I had the opportunity to go out snorkeling, and we tried and used this amazing product. I really just can't believe how good these are and how much it has changed our experience with snorkeling. It came in a package which had some fins, which gives you the ability to get through the water with ease, and also this great carry bag which prevents all the rest of your stuff getting wet after you've been in the water and you put your stuff into the bag. I just really can't believe how good this is and how much it has changed our experience with snorkeling. We used to head out there and go snorkeling with a traditional snorkel mask and snorkel, and we used to arrive at our site, and within 5 minutes the kids were complaining about how this, the snorkel didn't fit, or it was uncomfortable in the mouth, or how water was getting inside the tube and then they had to spit it out, and that they couldn't see anything, and it really got to a point where we were unable to go snorkeling anymore, and it really wasn't enjoyable. So these masks have really changed that for us, and the full face snorkel mask has some great features, particularly when you go underwater, and it's got the valve at the top which allows you to go under without any water getting in and having to blow it out when you come back up. It also has a great mounting spot for your action camera, which is fantastic, and also a flat viewing area which doesn't distort your view when you're snorkeling around and going through the shallows and checking out all the fish and the wonderful things that you can see underwater. I'll just quickly touch on the bag. Like I said before, the bag's a fantastic addition to your package, because when you finish snorkeling and you're out there and all your gear is wet, and you just put it inside that bag, it's actually waterproof, so if you do put it into another bag you don't get other things wet, and also carrying it inside your bag and everything like that, it gives you the ability to keep everything dry. Also the fins which came with the package is just a wonderful addition. It just gives you that ability to get through the water with ease, like I said before, and it takes that stress away from exerting yourself early, and gives you those longer time within the water, and it's got some great features. It can be adjusted to your foot size. Also, if you've got other people there, they possibly can use it as well, because it just adjusts by undoing the strap, wraps around your heel, easy to get on and off, and it's just a great thing, and fits neatly inside the bag. The full face snorkel mask also, the evolution of it coming from the old style where some of the expelled air would stay inside the mask. Well, now they've got the one-way valve here which blows all your CO2 straight out, so you get the clean air coming in, CO2, the expelled air goes straight out, and it is truly just a great experience. And just with these, I've just found that if you slowed your breathing down and don't exert yourself too much, that it works the best that way. The straps are easily adjustable. It just gave me hours in the water without feeling stressed underwater, without getting worn out. The only thing I had to worry about was when to get out for lunch, so it was great. It's easy to just pull apart here, easy for storing away. We've used them now, snorkeling around the fringes of the reefs on the islands here locally. I've also taken up to a fresh waterhole swimming location in one of the national parks locally here. We've yet to sort of try it at the local pool, but that'll be the next one for us, and I truly recommend this great product. You'll never look back. If you've ever had the concerns about using the traditional snorkels, this really does give you the opportunity to enjoy what's on offer beneath the water. So I really encourage you to